What are people? How's it going? I know it's been some time since we all sat down and talked. The purpose of making this video is to say a huge thank you for all you guys who have subscribed to my channel so far. I know it's been a bumpy ride so far. I've been in this for 4 months and I've just had some good growth over the YouTube channel that I've been using. The whole point of this video is to say a big thank you and also to introduce you to my new desk. I'm going to be using something today. I'm just going to unravel it to you. It's a huge super mic that I'm going to be putting in my desk so that I can give out better quality videos. That's the whole point of making this YouTube channel. Also, in the later part of this video, we're going to be talking about what I'm thinking of doing down the road for another couple of weeks. I've been talking about a video series where I build an application from scratch, and I'm going to be setting up the tone from this video. You're going to be seeing what I'm going to be doing, and also we're going to be seeing what is very useful and how it's going to be structured so that you guys can benefit from it and also learn something from it. Let's go straight into this video. But before that, huge thank you to all 150 subscribers out there. I know it's not a huge number, but I'm not a big fan of numbers as well. It's been a great. Alright, you're back. So I've been talking about this mic setup here. You saw me set it up, and this is going to be my setup for the next few months going forward. To start with, we're going to be starting with one series of video where I'm going to be creating an application from scratch, obviously using the language called as Flutter, and we'll see how it goes. Will I have to stream these videos, or I'm going to be making 12 to 15-minute videos? I have to see. I have a work in the morning, so I have to come back after work and start recording. The plan is going to be like I have a 9-hour job, so I have to go for 9-hour work. I travel for an hour and a half, so it's going to be 10.5 hours of my day going for through to that, and the rest of the hours I'm going to be staying at home. So say 5.5 hours of home time that I have, I'm going to be recording for 3 hours and maybe edit for an hour or so, and that's what my schedule in my mind, but I do not know for sure how it's going to work out. So I'm going to be going for some trial runs starting now, and we'll see how it goes. Let's call it as the day zero video, and I'll start from there. This video is to again say a huge thank you. I've obviously have done 4.5 months of work to set up all of this, and make tutorials on Flutter in particular, and also on other programming languages, computer science in general, software engineering also. So it's been a good journey, and I hope going forward I can help you out guys with a lot of other videos as well. All right, so like I told you, the plan is to go for a 1 week video. What I'm going to be doing is build an application from scratch. This application is going to be completed in a week's time. The plan is from my mind to take 4 to 5 days of development work, and spend a day of testing the application. It's not going to be a huge application. It's not going to be like a social network application. It's going to be something simple that I'm going to be using every day, and I hope that people out there can also use it. Alright, so that's it from the video. I just wanted to introduce you guys to the new mic, and I hope this audio clarity is much better than the previous videos. I surely hope that I can be of some importance, or I can provide some value with my videos in the coming weeks. I might be going a bit off with my video schedule because I have to record all these videos in prior, and I have to edit in prior before I release them every day. So that's my idea, because I can't do a video today and release it tomorrow. It's going to be very hectic for me. But I'm going to be making all these videos, 7 videos in a stretch, hopefully every day. And I'm going to take some time, record and edit each of these videos, and schedule them for complete 7 days, so that it looks a bit natural as well, and also it does not skip the schedule. Making sure that you guys can also stay in track with these videos. Alright guys, that's it for me. I hope you can now actually follow me in these videos. You can actually subscribe to the channel as well if you haven't subscribed. If you want to know more about this mic, it's called as a Maono, if I'm right, Maono AU04, and it's available on Amazon. You can check them out if you want. I've put the link in the description as well. You can check that out as well. Alright, let me meet you in that series, and a lot more coming up with this new mic and new desk setup. Hopefully a lot of new content for you guys to enjoy. Peace out.